Can you believe that the excavators I'm about to introduce to you can easily destroy giant tree stumps? Let's experience it through the video below. Don't forget to like, share and follow the channel to support us. And now, let's get started. Swagtech Woodcracker G root scraper with hydraulic clamp helps rake and clear all tree branches and roots, maintain landscape, clean soil for the next purpose. In Finland, the Ponsse Buffalo 4F excavator, combined with stump cutters, has become a popular device for stump removal without damaging the surrounding environment. The Woodcracker R900 tree stump remover is removing tree stumps and roots. The stump is separated on the ground and extracted in the same working step. What's left is an almost flat ground with no stump or roots. StumpX is capable of grinding tree stumps significantly faster than conventional tree stump grinders. It also allows for more flexibility because it does not throw material at high speeds. Use a Bobcat E50 excavator to uproot a 32-inch pine tree stump in 32 minutes. As you can see, it will first dig around the base of the tree to break off all the roots. Then, the machine will lean on a corner to release it. In less than 10 minutes, the Bobcat E32 mini excavator dug a tree stump out of the ground. Thicon Stump X has the ability to grind tree stumps and crush 2 large tree stumps. It not only works quickly and effectively, but also ensures safety for users during work. The Kobelco SK160 excavator with tiller head is a smart investment for any business or individual looking for convenience and efficiency because of its powerful working capabilities. Dipper Fox is the world's most effective excavator-mounted tree stump removal tool. The Dipper Fox SC850 Pro combined with the drill head has become a powerful and efficient device, helping to improve productivity and reduce costs for construction and planting projects. Amazingly, the Rayco RG80 stump grinder destroyed a 36-inch oak stump in just 10 minutes. The tractor-mounted tree stump drill has a cylinder that can exploit tree stumps quickly and easily, with a maximum depth of up to 950 millimeters. The Rotor 3P root cutter is a perfect solution for removing tree roots quickly and effectively. This sturdy and effective tree stump separator will save you a lot of time and money on land cleanup work. The Power King 14 HP tree stump grinder is small but highly effective in destroying tree stumps for households. The P56RX stump cutter is used to cut tree stump parts above and below ground with unlimited diameters. This machine has a compact design that is convenient for flexible and easy movement. Let's watch the StumpX tree stump grinder destroy 3 tree stumps quickly. Thanks to the 2800 SP tree stump grinder, removing tree roots is simpler and more time-saving than ever. Uprooting a Norway maple tree has become easy and fast thanks to this machine. Dutchman's 50-inch tree shovel is manufactured in both 25 and 30-degree models and is designed to create a ball that safely covers trees up to 5 inches in diameter. This type of spade can create a ball nearly 52 inches in diameter. In the Netherlands, people use the Dutchman 80 to uproot trees for the purpose of greening bare land and balancing the ecosystem. Starting with the Pezzolato 1300 and 1500 wood chipper, which uses a formidable Caterpillar engine that delivers an impressive 1200 horsepower. It can chop very hard wood up to 90 km in diameter accurately and efficiently. Please subscribe to our channel and you will be mentioned in tomorrow's video. Thank you. The Moorbach 3036-hole tree chopper with cab and track mounted excavator, a game changer in the forestry industry, can process up to 40 tons of material per hour. The Hade 9 tubular grinder is a force in the world of wood grinding, land clearing, recycling, and biomass production, ensuring efficient waste management. Diamond Z a 6000 grinder, the important role in recycling and biomass production, ensures effective waste management and sustainable use of resources. The CBI Magnum Force 5400 horizontal grinder, equipped with a powerful Scania-Vate engine, can handle wood waste effectively. With advanced grinding technology, the rotor chopper F66 grinder contributes to improving productivity in other industries and minimizing waste in wood processing activities. The CBI Chipmax 484, the leading wood chipper, is revolutionizing poplar chipping in the Netherlands. Equipped with a 765 horsepower Cat 18 engine, this machine processes poplar wood efficiently. With a high-powered motor and advanced grinding technology, the CB5400 grinder is capable of processing the hardest wood materials with ease, promoting productivity and sustainability in the forestry industry. As the latest advanced machine in the woodworking industry, the Diamond Z horizontal grinder can effectively treat waste and use resources sustainably, contributing to protecting the current forestry environment. The Peterson 5000 700 pallet crusher, a game changer in pallet recycling, turns wood waste into a valuable resource, driving productivity and environmental responsibility in the industry. Able to process up to 100 tons of material per hour, the Rotochopper B66 grinder is essential for wood waste recycling and large-scale biomass production, is the epitome of efficiency and reliability. The pinnacle of woodworking technology, the Rotochopper B66 L-Series grinder has a powerful 1050 horsepower engine that turns large trees into valuable wood chips. Is an essential tool for recycling palm waste. The Rotochopper B66 is designed to firmly turn large tree stumps into small chips to serve agricultural branches. Is a giant in the world of wood processing. With an impressive 1050 horsepower engine, the B66 wood grinder can crush more than 700 cubic meters of material per hour. Followed by the Pezolato toe drum chipper, a versatile solution for wood chipping, with the ability to process logs up to 40 km in diameter exactly. Thanks to the flexible combination of crane and advanced crusher, the work of processing large trees becomes easier and more effective, making an important contribution to the development of the forestry and wood processing industry. Let's look at the process of adding the critical torque needed to efficiently process large pieces of wood, improving productivity and reducing processing time, ensuring smooth operations in forestry. The Sheet 185 is a versatile and efficient wood chipper designed for a variety of woodworking tasks. This machine can process up to 15 cubic meters of wood per hour, promoting productivity and environmental responsibility in the industry. A leader in the woodworking industry with a rugged design and high performance capabilities, the Bandit whole tree chipper can effectively chip entire trees. The Duratech Hon 9 stump grinder is a formidable tool in land clearing and landscaping. With powerful crushing ability, this machine can effectively remove tree stumps. With immense power, the 800 amp multi-purpose chipper can handle a variety of jobs, from wood chipping to green waste grinding, processing up to 150 tons of material per hour, promoting productivity and environmental responsibility. The Crambo 4200 with Cat9 engine is a powerful, revolutionary shredder in waste treatment that can shred many different types of materials, plays an important role in waste management, ensuring effective recycling. With its high-power shredding ability, the Comtech Crambo 5000 can process tree roots quickly and at fast speed, plays an important role in environmental remediation to ensure effective cleaning and recovery of contaminated soil. The Comtech Crambo 5000 is at the forefront of waste shredding technology that can process up to 100 tons of waste per hour, optimizing resource use and minimizing environmental impact. Comtech Crambo 5000 with 100 ATM shredding capacity is a powerful machine in waste processing. The RJ's Raptor XL has an impressive capacity. This machine can shred up to 150 tons of material per hour, making it an important tool in waste management and recycling facilities. The devices are vital for modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Please comment below to let me know. We promise to bring you more interesting videos. See you again.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.